Social Insider teamed up with Coup & Quote, looked at 649,895 posts from over 6,700 accounts of varying size to analyze how hashtags affect growth, engagement and reach on Instagram. No more rumors, hearsay or wild guesses, this is solid data that will help you develop an effective strategy for your business. End of quote. Hashtags on Instagram. Social Insider's findings: 87.7% of brands prefer to use hashtags in the caption. An overwhelming majority of posts include hashtags in the caption, 93.8% versus 6.2%. Brands use fewer hashtags when placing them in the comments, and more hashtags when using them in the caption. Posts with 27 to 30 hashtags do not bring the peak engagement. Profiles up to 100K followers have a better reach rate when using hashtags in the caption. Profiles with more than 100K followers have a better reach rate when posting their hashtags in comments, 15.9%. The engagement rate calculated per post is affected by the placement of the hashtags, the number of hashtags and the size of your Instagram profile. The engagement rate per post is higher when posts add shown hashtags in the first comment or insert hidden hashtags in the caption.